I was just a normal boy who longed to live in peace. Built my house along the highway, was obsessed with bees. Known to be a sidekick, they think I'm a pushover, but kindness was my only strength in a land so full of anger. When my friends and I fought for freedom, arrows from the sky and bombs beneath my feet. Oh, in the final night, I was led to my demise. Just a comrade fell into my death hole. Free at last, I'm homeless though I finally live in peace. A nation was born inside the walls I always see. My friends have skirmishes, but I'm just living life much quieter. I've been called a fool so much for being the humbler one. When my friends this time fought for power, two of them were thrown away from this land. Oh, eyes for enemy sides, thought I was far from my demise. Can't believe what I adored was my death home. I can hear my best friend shout my name. The distance cannot be escaped. Was assured of safety, turns out that he'd betray me. Blow up my sacred country, lost my home, I've lost control. I am still a normal boy, and I just wanna live my life in freedom. Bombs fall from the sky, beneath my feet. Oh, in the final, I see my nation